Friend.tech sees sudden surge in activity. Decentralized social media platform Friend.tech has seen a sudden surge in activity in recent days, with its total value locked, TVL, doubling to reach more than $20 million within the last 4 days. This resurgence comes just 2 weeks after the platform was declared dead by critics who argued that it was losing steam. However, the recent surge in activity suggests that Friend.tech may be bucking the trend and is still capable of attracting users. There are a number of possible reasons for the recent surge in activity on Friend.tech. One possibility is that the platform has made a number of improvements to its user experience and functionality. For example, the platform has recently added the ability to upload photos, credit card-enabled purchase options, and new sections to view different types of activity. Another possibility is that a growing number of non-crypto figures have joined the platform in recent weeks. This includes a number of prominent YouTubers and OnlyFans creators. This suggests that Friend.tech is starting to attract a more mainstream audience, which could be a good sign for the platform's long-term prospects. Finally, it is also possible that some users have realized that Friend.tech chats can be used as a way to earn yield. There is a 5% fee earned when users buy or sell someone's key, which could be an attractive proposition for some users. Whatever the reason for the recent surge in activity, it is clear that Friend.tech is still a platform to watch. The platform has the potential to be a successful decentralized social media platform, and the recent surge in activity is a positive development for the platform. Subscribe to Cooking with AI and at Crypto for more information.